Hello, eighth graders. This is the last lesson in the anti vaping e cigarette program titled Your Life, Your Choice.
Honestly, yeah, guys, I've been vaping, but it's safer than smoking.
Not really, because if you vape, you're 4 times more likely to start smoking cigarettes anyway.
4 times is nothing, bro.
Sure it is. Imagine having 4 times as many cats.
Or 4 times worse vision. Or 4 times more of Kyle.
Whoa, that's a lot.
If you vape, you're 4 times more likely to start smoking cigarettes.
So, your first assignment for this week is a discussion post answering these questions. What information about e cigarettes stood out to you most over the course of this program? And with all the new information, do you feel more comfortable to make your own choice about e cigarette use? So on Schoology, that is your first discussion or your only discussion post for this week. So that'll be the first assignment is to respond to that. This ad that was created, I thought was everything, I thought was interesting. It says harmless. Some call it harmless water vapor, but it's neither water nor vapor nor harmless. Wake up. And this one, be the role model you needed when you were younger. The other assignment that you have for this week, I'm going to read the introduction and the directions. Now that you have gone through the entire Catch My Breath program, you have the knowledge and the skills necessary to make a smart choice regarding e-cigarettes. You're going to answer 4 questions, 2 questions, and create kind of 2 statements. The first one is, what is your choice regarding e-cigarettes? So you're going to answer that question on Schoology under assignments. You're also going to answer, what are your reasons for your choice? And then you're going to make 2 if-then statements. So you're going to think about situations in which you might need to hold strong to your goal and plan how you will react in this situation. So let's say if you're offered an e-cigarette or a vape at a party, then I will be able to say, nah, I'm good, and walk away. So you're going to create 2 statements that begin with a if and then end with a then. And again, this is the last lesson, the last part of the anti-vaping e-cigarette program. Next week, we'll be moving on to a new unit. And I just want to share with you and remind you that knowledge is power. Having this knowledge and information regarding this is extremely important to your health, for yourself, and also to share with others.